Many will ask if print-on-demand is still profitable in 2021. And I can tell you the answer is yes, we do believe that print-on-demand business is still very profitable. Well, first of all, there is almost no startup cost for starting a print-on-demand business. It means there's no risk other than losing some time or effort. And that's basically what a 9-to-5 job is. You trade your time and you receive profit, and that's almost no downside. Other than losing your time, you don't need to put a credit card on file, and the website applications you can use to participate are free. And I guess all you need is having like an internet-connected device, like a laptop or a tablet or even a phone. And that's not often to see in the business world, because most of business requires a certain amount of investment. For like open an Amazon store, you need to source your manufacturer and pay for them to produce your products. And if you end up not selling them, you will suffer from loss. However, the POD model allows you to only pay the product cost when you sold the products. So we'll only make money, or in the worst scenario, break even. When we're selling things online, we get to decide how much we charge the customer. So I may sell a t-shirt, like make $2 a sale and be okay with that. Making $2 profit per sale might be okay because you may sell a higher volume of t-shirts if your shirts are cheap. You may say, no, I'm not going to waste my time doing it if I'm not making at least $8 a sale. And that's fine too. You can change pricing to $8 profit per sale. Of course, pricing is going to factor into whether or not customer will buy or not. One may go in and filter price low to high. They may see my lower price shirt and not see your higher price shirt. So there are two sides to every story. But with pricing controls, we get to decide what is worth, like how much our time is worth. And print-on-demand is all about design and theme. You can always integrate your hobby and passion into your own business. How cool is that? Let's say you're a lover of gardening. You can design your products around this theme, like using quotes and pictures that resonate with your passion. I believe these designs will win you audiences who share the same passion with you. Watching your business grow is extremely rewarding. The first sale, the first review comment, and the boost in conversion rate. And all these moments are saturated with satisfaction and proves that your hard work is all worthwhile. Alright guys, thank you so much. So that's all about today's video. I'll see you next week.